Hello，今日食飽晚餐咧，整翻嘅甜湯係特別嘅，叫做楊枝甘露。你睇下，試下啦，試下。
This is a delicious dessert that we used to serve back at our old restaurant. This is super simple to make and it can satisfy any guest, and I guarantee is a wonderful end to a full course meal. To start off, we'll need mangoes, optional grapefruit, sugar, tapioca pearls, coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk, and whole milk. Alright, to start off with the milk, first we're going to open up a can of coconut milk and dump it into a pot. Then we'll add 350 grams of sugar in there and half a gallon of whole milk or half the carton of milk. Then we're going to add a large bowl of water in and we're going to bring it up to a boil. Then, once it's at a boil, turn off the gas and let it cool down. And in the meantime, let's prep our tapioca pearls. First, we're going to get another pot and add 2 liters of water in there and bring it up to a boil. Once it's at a boil, add about 50 grams of tapioca pearls, turn the gas down and let it simmer for 2 minutes, and then we're going to turn the gas off and cover the tapioca pearls and let it cool down for 15 minutes, and then we're going to see if it's cooked. You can tell if it's cooked if there's no white in the middle of the pearls. Afterwards, run it through with some cold water, and when you're ready to use it, take it out of the cold water into a separate bowl. To prep your mango, we're going to cut it down on each side around the large seed. Then we're going to cut it crisscross and then scoop out the mango. Oh, whoops. Alright, be careful there. Alright, let's scoop this out. For all the other extra parts of the mango, we're going to cut and scoop them out and throw them in a blender and puree it until smooth. Alright, let's put everything together. Once the milk has cooled down, add in your tapioca pearls, your puree mangoes, and some optional grapefruit and mix it all together. And when you're ready to serve, pour a good ladleful into your bowl and then add in your chopped mangoes and you're done. I hope you all enjoy!
自己試啦。今日咁抵，真係好飽㗎。耶！哇，真係好香，有西米露又滑，又有啲芒果又喺度，好香。真係一流嘅味道。I like it，好中意嘅，大家嚟嘗試下做下佢，OK，thank you，拜拜。